All right, YouTube. Hey, Josh here at Attica Lumber Company. Hey, actually out here in Erie County, Ohio, but check this out right here, 24 by 32, 10 feet tall. All right, and you can see here, this site, this video we're gonna share with you. This is an interesting one. We didn't do any site prep on this. And you can see the owner, actually I just rolled up and the truck was there bringing in stone. So he's gonna fill this in, but you can see, we just built it right there on the grass here. Again, 24 by 32, 10. I'm gonna give you some specs on this building, but you can see right here, as we walk up to this post frame, 2-car garage, however you want to call it, but 16 by 8 right there. Then also an 8 by 8, 412 pitch right here. And you see 29 gauge metal, 40-year guarantee on that. And that's on the paint, chalk, and the fade. All right. And if you're looking at this, we actually, let's go inside here and take a look at this. But we utilized, you can see what we utilized for the site right here. Utilize a 2x10 perimeter ground contact 0.60 treated board right there. You see we got 4x6 intermediate post. And also right there, we talked about this before, but your strength of your building, strength's everywhere, but strength of your building is on the corner post right there. You can see there's a 6x6 post right there. And then you can see there's gonna be a lot of backfill that needs to be delivered. So I gotta get out of here. The truck's gonna be back here in about 30 minutes, but you can see they're 4x6 intermediate posts right there. And for those of you scoring at home there, those are 3x4 windows right there. Again, 24 by 32, 10 feet tall. You see that? So pretty good sized windows for this building, 3x4 right there. All right, and you can see we use the 2x6 sidewall girts on this. And then I want to share with you how we finish this off right there around the overhead door openings. You see that, how we did that. We finished that off so overhead doors can come and make that flush. You see how we did the top beam headers right there to give that 16 by 8 more support there. We used a 2x, let me look here, 2x12 and a 2x8 it looks like. Actually two 2x8s and then a 2x12 right up there. All right, and then on this one, a 2x6 and a 2x12, and then that girt right there, 2x8. All right, again, truss spacing, again, 4 foot on center truss spacing. Again, 1650 lumber that we utilize on our building. It's not a 2 grade, but 1650 lumber, but 4 foot on center truss spacing. You can see we use the vapor barrier. And if you've been following along, you see drip stop or vapor barrier. In this application, we use the vapor barrier. And that'll obviously give them moisture condensation control. So kind of give you an idea here, but so an interesting layout here. Typically we do site prep before we build, but on a site that you can see here down kind of in the valley, the owner's obviously going to take care of that. And you can see the stone or rock that he's utilizing right here. Typically we obviously we use a 411 stone mix, berm mix that we backfill in the hole. We don't utilize dirt or anything like that, but you can see right here, typically we utilize this right here, 411 stone mix. As you can see, and we backfill that. We set those posts, obviously we drill down in Ohio here, 4 feet or 54 inches, and then we set that on a concrete cookie. And then we put uplift protection down there, run it east and west, north and south, 2x6s. So we use a 411 mix. But on this case, we did, boom, we built it, and then the owner obviously utilizing a thicker rock right here, as you see right here. So kind of gives you an idea there. So the gutters on this building, so a nice looking post frame pole barn building, 2-car garage. So comments always welcome. Lock and loader right here. Attica Lumber since 1925.